Hello, traders, and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. I'm Bill, and we are in Pattaya, Thailand. Bright blue, sunny skies. Absolutely gorgeous. I got to tell you, about 2 a.m. this morning, thunderstorms, lightning. Jumped out of bed, thought we were getting attacked or something. It was pretty wild. That lasted till about 6 a.m. But now, sun's out, skies are blue. Absolutely looking great today on a Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, September 28th, 2017. It's currently 8:27 a.m. in Pattaya, Thailand. That would be 21:27 on Wall Street on a Wednesday night. Traders, like I said, great to be with you on a Thursday. We're going to take a look at what's going on. We did have some data today out of the Kiwi, right? They had interest rate decision. It maintained at 1.75%. Then they had a statement come out. I do not know what the statement said. However, if you take a look at the chart down here of the New Zealand, it looks like whatever it was, the markets didn't like it because I'm sorry, the markets did like it, right? As it moved up, so the markets were pretty glad that they did not do anything with rates, and apparently this statement must have been hawkish. Okay. All right. So nothing more in Asia. Asia's done for today. So we have no more data coming out in Asia. Once we get into the London session today, we have GfK, German Consumer Climate today. And we also have Spanish HICP and CPI today. We have EC Prayet speaks today. They got that as a medium impact. That's pretty different. These speakers normally get a low impact unless it's like the ECB president or something like that, or the Fed or something. Janet. What else we got going on? Nothing else as far as big stuff. Yeah, we have German CPI today, also at HICP today, out of Germany today. In the U.S. session, we have GDP quarter-on-quarter for number 2, initial jobless claims, and GDP price index today. And that's about it, my friends, as far as data go. Let's talk about what happened yesterday and what's going on right now. The S&P 500 futures is negative 0.06%. NASDAQ futures is negative 0.02%, with the Dow 30 up 0.25%, and small cap 2000 is up 2% as we speak. S&P 500 VIX is negative 2.96%, and Nikkei 225 is positive 0.38%. And the U.S. dollar is up 0.01%, hanging out at that 93.28 level as we speak. All right, my friends, let's take a look at oil. Well, we'll talk about gold here for a second. Gold is below the $1,300 mark. It's at $1,287.34. WTI crude is at 52.06, and Brent oil is at 57.38. Again, maintaining above that $50 mark. Natural gas is down negative 0.07%, as U.S. coffee is negative 2.32% as we speak. All right, let's take a look at some charts today. And well, let's take a look at this New Zealand BOE data come out. We'll just peek at that real quick, see what's going on. You just got to look at this and say, yeah, this is right. This is just, it's bearish, right? It's just absolutely bearish, right? It's bearish. There's absolutely nothing you're going to do here with that, for sure. I can't get this arrow. No, this is crazy. I cannot get this arrow to be a default. It won't go in as a default, and it's driving me crazy. I gotta be really honest with you. I need an arrow that's a default color, and I don't have to change it all the time. All right, let's get back to this New Zealand. So bearish, if you're new to trading and you're new to Fibonacci levels, if you fib most of these swings, each one of these is a swing, right? Swing, fib up, right? Swing, little fib up, right? Then swing, that's probably not even the 23.6 Fibonacci there. Maybe, but that doesn't look like it. It needs to be a little bit higher, right? So no fib there, then sideways and nothing, right? So you would expect that this is probably going to come up to the 200 and take a move to the downside. But this looks really weak, folks. Really weak. Nothing to do on the Kiwi. Nothing at all. All right, let's look at my trade for today. Trade for the day today is the Aussie. Now, I sort of missed this week, and I really kicked myself in the rump over this one. This was just an awesome move here starting on Tuesday. And, this just sold off and just kept on going. This was a really, really nice trade. Now, I'm going to try to do catch-up, and I really want to see this pop up to this 50%. I don't want to trade in this, my friends. I do not want to trade in this. That is a mess, right? So this has to either pop it up, or it's going to just continue for lower, and that's what it looks like. To me, this looks like this is just going to continue for lower, but I'm not selling here, right? We're not going to sell at support, right? We're going to sell at resistance. So we need this to pop up to like 78.90, somewhere in there, 78.90, and we can take this to the downside. This is probably a no trade for today. This is probably not going to do anything I wanted to do on a Thursday. It's just not going to happen, right? So that's what's going on with the Aussie. We take a look at the pound. Let's take a peek at the pound here. Pound, little bumps to the downside, and I expect that to continue because I've been bearish in the pound for a long time. So, we'll just watch this. Oh, I just noticed that. Okay. I had the wrong time frame in there. Right, just take a second. We'll get pop a time frame in there. There we go. 30 minutes. So this is just continuing to the downside. It's really riding these exponential moving averages quite nicely. Now the moving averages are starting to tangle with each other, so nothing to do here. Just leave this alone. Really, we want to see this pop up to this 200 exponential moving average. That's where we want to see it go, right? Pop it up to the 200 exponential moving average. Okay, traders, that is it for me on a Thursday. Just some house cleaning before I go. I am moving this weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. I am moving. Now, you're probably saying, well, why is it taking you 4 days? Well, we'll start packing tomorrow, and sometime over the weekend I will lose internet because the moving services from my place where I'm living now to the place I'm going. So they have to cut my internet off here so they can put it on in the new place. And hopefully that will be on for Monday or Tuesday, but I don't actually move my stuff. The truck comes on Tuesday, so Tuesday morning. And so I will not be in for the rest of the week, and I won't be in until Wednesday on the 4th of October. Hopefully I'll be back to normal. Everything will be up and running, and hopefully we'll have no glitches in this plan that we have for the weekend. So traders, have a good weekend. Enjoy your break. And we'll get back with you on Wednesday. Traders, always remember to trade smart, not hard. Have a great time. And we'll see you Wednesday, October 4th. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.